Welcome back, everyone. You're listening to AI with Shaily, where we unravel the latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and what they mean for your work and life. I'm Shailendra Kumar, here to guide you through the AI frontier with insights you can actually use. So, let's talk about a fascinating shift rolling through workplaces across America. AI is becoming that new kind of coworker everyone's buzzing about, and it's not just science fiction anymore. According to the latest Gallup data from Q3 2025, a whopping 45% of US employees now interact with AI tools at work at least a few times a year, up from 40%. What's truly striking is frequent usage jumping to 23%, with chatbots leading the charge. Over 60% of users tapping into these digital assistants, followed by writing tools and coding helpers. Tech, finance, and professional services are sprinting ahead, while retail and frontline jobs trail behind. This trend reminded me of my early days blending into tech teams. I wasn't just learning coding, I was learning to work with emerging tools that, frankly, did the boring stuff for me. Fast forward to today, and we see Cisco's vision of connected intelligence unfolding, a future where AI doesn't just assist, but interacts with both humans and other AI agents, handling mundane tasks like meeting notes, translations, and expert recommendations almost invisibly. Imagine that kind of seamless collaboration, a real dynamic duo or trio, you, your AI coworker, and maybe even its AI buddy. But it's not all smooth sailing. Workday surveys show 85% of workers save between 1 to 7 hours weekly thanks to AI. That's huge. But here's a kicker: 37% of that saved time is spent on reworking or fixing AI errors. So, while AI accelerates tasks and lightens certain loads, it also raises questions about quality and increased workloads. And McKinsey chimes in with some pretty impressive numbers. AI agents boosting productivity by 25%, trimming repair times by 75%, and generating hundreds of millions in revenue. Talk about a game changer. Meanwhile, social media is ablaze with talk of AI teammates. Discussions on platforms like X and LinkedIn reveal a fascinating dual reality. Almost half of employees are secretly using AI, but many hesitate to admit it aloud. It's like having a stealthy assistant that you don't want your boss to know about yet. This tension between enthusiasm and skepticism makes me wonder, how do we balance transparency and trust when our digital coworkers are invisible? Now, here's the big question for you to chew on. As AI becomes your new coworker, how comfortable would you be sharing your work secrets with a bot? Could you imagine collaboration, or would you treat it like a quirky intern who sometimes needs supervision? Here's a bonus tip before you go. If you're adopting AI tools at work, set clear boundaries. Decide upfront which tasks AI handles automatically and where human check ins are non negotiable. This little habit can save you hours in rework and keep your AI teammate productive without surprise glitches. To wrap up, I'll leave you with the words of the legendary computer scientist Alan Kay. The best way to predict the future is to invent it. With AI as a new coworker, we're not just predicting the future of work, we're creating it, one line of code and one conversation at a time. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium for deeper dives and daily AI updates. If you enjoyed this chat, subscribe and hit the bell. And hey, I want to hear from you. How has AI changed your workday? Drop your stories and thoughts in the comments. That's it for today's episode of AI with Shaily. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay sharp, and catch you next time.